Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to enable push notifications for reminders on the Facebook app on your PC. Whether you've been missing important birthday alerts, event reminders, or updates you care about, this simple walkthrough will help you stay on top of everything without missing a beat. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on your home screen, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This is your main menu where you can access all your personal settings and preferences. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you a few more options to choose from. From here, select Settings. This will take you into your Facebook settings page where you can manage everything from your account information to your notification preferences. Once you're inside the settings, look for the notifications option on the left-hand side. Click on it to open your notification settings. This section controls how and when Facebook alerts you about different activities, updates, and reminders. Now scroll down to find the reminders option. This is where Facebook keeps all the settings related to reminders for birthdays, upcoming events, and other notifications designed to keep you updated. Under reminders, you'll see different types of notification settings, including push, email, and SMS. To receive instant alerts on your device, make sure the push option is turned on. Once you've enabled push notifications for reminders, your Facebook app on PC will start sending you real-time updates about important events and moments. It's that simple. One quick adjustment and you'll never miss another reminder again. That's it for today's guide. Thanks for watching.